What is up, people? This is Ron Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today's video is going to be the most difficult video for me because we are going to unbox a fake sneaker. And yes, do not judge me on this. I'll explain you why I bought this sneaker and stuff like that. And it is very weird because I really don't know what to talk about this sneaker. It's really like I just got that sneaker and I'm sitting in front of the camera. I didn't plan this video at all. I just wanted to have fun. And yes, let's see the shoes first, then we'll talk about it more. So this is the fakest Easy 450. If you guys don't know this sneaker, this is the wildest, craziest, weirdest, and I don't know what else to call this, but this is the Easy 450, fake Easy 450s. And yes, these are terrible disasters. Please do not buy these sneakers at all. And first thing first, why I bought this sneaker? I bought this sneaker from Amazon, and yes, I just wanted to show you guys that Amazon doesn't sell fakes until and unless you want to buy fakes. So yes, these are named as, let me tell you the name of this sneaker because it is very long. So the name is like Enjoy Women's Breathable and Lightweight Upper Mesh Lace Up Sneakers Slip On Fashionable Shoes. Yes, I hope now you understand why you don't get fakes on Amazon. If you buy this sneaker seeing this name, then you wanted to buy this sneaker, because no one, literally no one will buy this sneaker thinking that this is the real Easy 450. And this cost somewhere around 1400 rupees, and trust me, in 1400 rupees you will get crazy good quality sneakers. And this is a piece of stone. This is literally a piece of stone. And please guys, trust me, do not buy this kind of sneakers. I just wanted to show you guys that fakes are so bad. And another reason I bought this sneaker was, just look at this sneaker and the original one, that is Easy 450, that will cost you somewhere around 25,000 rupees here in India now, and it retailed for $200, that is 18,000-19,000 rupees in India. So I just wanted to check this out, and it is funny at the same time because a pair which cost 20-25,000 rupees, and some company known as Enjoy or something like that, wait, some Aura, something like that, this is the box. And one funny thing, they have named this Easy 450. If you can see here, Easy 450 UK 8, something like that. And just look at this, this is a UK 8, and I don't know why this is a UK 8, because I really can't fit in these shoes at all, literally at all. It's like very small. Disaster. The only word comes to my mind seeing this shoes is disaster, because this is some another kind of rock here. And I'm not going to lie, the upper mesh is kind of good one, but the shoes is terrible. It is terrible. And one more thing, this smells really bad. I don't know why. I do love smelling new shoes, but this one, ew, that is the only word. So guys, please do not buy this kind of sneakers. And I wanted to say that if you see these shoes on Amazon and if you still buy that shoes, it is your problem. And don't claim that Amazon is selling you fakes. It is you buying fakes from Amazon. These are some different companies who are placing their products on Amazon to be sold, and you guys are buying it. That is the reason these sneakers are getting sold and nothing else. Amazon is not purposely selling you fakes. So yes, please make that clear that if you buy fake sneakers from Amazon, it is your fault, not Amazon's fault. So I just wanted to clear that thing, and I just wanted to see how this sneaker looks. And there are some major difference in this sneaker and the original Easy 450. If you can see this back, it looks like someone has banged the shoes with some stone or something like that from here. If you guys can see here, I don't know if you guys can see or not, and I really don't want to show you any detailed view or it's something like that on this sneaker, because this is whack, only whack. So do not buy these shoes at all, don't at all. Please mark that word. And a disclaimer here, I don't promote fakes, I don't promote any kind of these shoes. This is just for educational purposes, because this is some weird sneaker which smells bad, which do not fit. And I made one of my friend wear these shoes because he can fit in these shoes eventually. So I made him wear these shoes, and he was like, bro, this is hurting, because I don't know why the original 450s are meant to be like this. They look similar to this, not like this. They look similar to this, but on the original 450, this claw like things or something like that which comes from here, I don't know what is that. In the original one, I have seen some reviews and stuff like that. In that, they are pretty soft and flows with your feet, and it's like to hold your feet just for that. But in this case, this fit really tight to your feet, and this is like choking your feet like this. So yes, this is a weird sneaker and it smells bad. Please do not buy this kind of sneakers. I just wanted to show you guys that this is just a fun video. I just wanted to make this because I just wanted to clear things out, because a lot of time people do tell me that Amazon sell fakes and people are still confused to buy Converse from there. And guys, yes, I have made a lot of videos on Converse. I have made a lot of videos on Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Ajio. How do they ship their shoes? How are the packaging? Everything I have showed you in different videos. So yes guys, please do watch that video. It will help you a lot. And yes, none of the platforms right now sell fakes purposely. If you buy this kind of stuff, then yes, these are fakes and you are buying it on purpose. It's not like Flipkart is selling you this shoes and asking you to pay 25,000 rupees in return because this is the original 450 or something like that, and then you get this sneaker. That is when you call Flipkart is selling fakes. But this time, just see the box. It is weird, it smells bad. I have said this a lot of times, but yes. And sorry if you guys were thinking that this is going to be some good video or something like that. I just wanted to clear things out. I just wanted to show you guys that how bad fake sneakers are. Just look at these shoes and imagine you wearing this. This will look so dumb on your feet. Trust me, just look at the outsole. The real one is different. I'll show you the pictures if I get them. But guys, just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at the back. It is whack. And on the original 450, you get a small brownish kind of, dark brownish kind of panel here on this part, on the heel portion here. But here this is all black. And on the original 450 you will get darkish kind of washed black here and jet black on the sole. But here we have washed black on the sole and jet black on the mesh. So yes, you guys can see this and tell that is a fake sneaker. So yes, please do not buy these sneakers at all. And I have said this a lot of times in this video. And trust me, if you want to spend 1500 rupees on some sneakers, watch my videos where I have shown sneakers under 2000 rupees. You will get a lot of good stuffs there. But this, do not buy this kind of sneakers. And guys, yes, we have finally completed 1500 subscribers. This is great. I just wanted to complete it before my birthday and the first anniversary of this channel. So yes, we have completed it early and I'm really grateful to have you guys here. And you guys are crazy, you do crazy stuffs, and thank you so much for that and showing this crazy amount of love to me. Thank you so much for everything. And yes, share this video with your friends. Whoever tells you that Amazon sell fakes or something like that, share this video to them. They will understand how it works and stuff like that. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.